Hello everyone, welcome to MyOnlineEdu.com's video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to install Java Jdk version on Ubuntu operating system. So I have the latest Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version installed, and if you want to know how to install Ubuntu 20.04 version LTS version, I have a video on my channel. Please look into that video, and also I'll put the video URL on the description of this video. But in this video tutorial, we'll focus on installing how to install Java. To install Java, you need to visit this URL oracle.com/downloads, and here you will find the Java section over here. And this over here you have to go to the JDK for developers, and you'll see that there are multiple versions. So for Java, that is Java Jdk 14 is there, Java Jdk 11 is there, and Java 8 version 8 is there. So what we'll do is we'll go to the JDK download of version 8, and then we'll actually we'll basically download this version, that is the Linux 64 compressed archive version, this one. So if you click on this download link, it will ask you for the Oracle user ID and password, and then you can download the file, the zip file. Okay, so you can save this file, but just for simplicity I already have saved it. So you see here, this is the file that I already have saved it. Okay, so this is the downloaded version. This is the downloaded file for Java 8. So before the installation, let's first upgrade the apt package. Okay, so the apt package update is done. So now what we'll do is we'll create a directory. So we have created this opt folder over here, opt directory over here in the Java. So Java is the new folder name, and then we'll enter basically enter this the tar file over onto this opt Java directory. So you can see here that this is the JRE version that is being uploaded, entered into over here. So based on this directory name 1.8.0 hyphen underscore 251, that is the version name, we have to run this command. Just you need to replace the version name if you have a different version. So basically this will install this Java SDK to the update alternatives. So now if we check the Java version, so Java version is installed. Basically now version 1.8 is installed over here. So this is one way to install Java version 8. Now you have seen that we have Java 11 also. So similar way, if you want to do the same thing, you can do it. Just download the respective compressed file over here, and then you can install over there. So Java 11, if you want to install the Java 11 version, just download this file. So I already have downloaded it. So this is the file. Okay, so now I'll be entering this version again, the Java JDK 11.0.7 version, and under this opt/java directory. Now you see inside this opt Java folder there is one more folder has been created. So now again on the similar way we need to install the update alternatives, and basically over here I need to replace this folder name. You need to replace this folder name based on the Java version over here. So I'll put it here. So now if you go to Java-version, you see the Java version got updated to 11.0.7. So now we have both the Java version 8 as well as Java version 11 installed into our machine. So this is the way that you can install if you want to install the latest Java or maybe a particular version of Java from the Oracle provided Java. Okay, and there is one more way that you can install Java. So that is from your the apt package source. Okay, so if you run this command, this will install the default JDK from the apt package source. But remember one thing, so it will only install the default JDK. It may not be your preferred version. So if there is one more way that you can install the Java in from a repository. So first get the update. Okay, so once the update is done, just install the software properties, that is a common one. After that, we'll get this repository, the Linux Uprising, to get different Java versions. So it's asking me to enter to continue. So after that, we'll again update the apt repository. So one thing you must have noticed that it says that you need to either install the it suggested that Java version 11 or long term support, the which is the long term support, the version 11 or the latest Java 14. So we have seen already we have installed 8 and 11. So this time we'll install Java 14. Okay, but this is through the apt repository. So here, I'm using 14. If you want 11, you could have done 11 also. So then from downloading the file from Oracle and installation, that installation would not have been necessary. So if I click on there, do you want to continue? Yes. So now the Java version 14 is getting installed. Okay, but this is through apt package. So I'm showing you the different methods to how to install. You can install Java 8 from the Oracle. You can install Java 11 from Oracle, or you can install the Java 11 or the latest Java 14 through the apt package. So for that we have to register a repository for that is the Linux Uprising to install this app package from there. So here the Java 14 is installed, but you could have installed the Java 11 also from this app package. Okay, so let's see what is the Java version says now. So it's still 11.0.7. So there was some error using this installation. So after the update of apt-get package, let's try to install one more time. Yeah, so after the apt update, so it looks to be okay. Installation is done. So I have escaped this. In order to install this package, you must accept the license term. Do you accept? Yes, I accept. So now it's installing the Java version 14 into my machine, but this is through the apt package. So as I told you before, you could have installed the Java version 11 also from this apt package from the Linux Uprising repository. But this video is showing you the different options. You can choose the options as per you want, as per your preferred method. Okay, so installation is complete. So now let's see what is the Java version. So you see now it's default Java version is 14, right? 14.0.1. So if I write this command with Java, so it gives me the path of the Java version. Now, before closing this video, couple of important things I want to mention. So you see here we have the Java version 8, 11 and 14 installed, but 14, right, 14 is the version rightly being used because that is the latest version installed. So what if you want to use the Java version 8 to be defaulted or Java version 11 to be defaulted? So for that one, you need to run this command sudo update alternatives configure Java. So here you see that all the installed version it will give you, and the first one with the 0 selection, so that is the default one. Okay, now which one you want to select, just press the number. So 1 is the Java 11, 2 is the Java version 8 and 3 is the 14, right? So if you want Java version 8 to be defaulted, so I'll press 2. So now if you type Java hyphen version. So see the version 1.8 is selected. Now this is my current Java version, selected Java version. So again, if you want to, make Java version 11, so 11 is for 1, right? Selection mode is 1. So again, if I go for Java version, so now 11 .0.7 is selected. So this is how you can actually work on different Java versions into Ubuntu, and you can select the Java version. So this is number one. Number two is that now you need to set your Java home. Okay, so now we need to set the Java home as well as the so basically what we need to do is we need to um, go over here. So this is the command basically for version 11. I need to go over here, I need to put over here. So then control O to write and then control X. After that just we need to run this command. So we are now if you know so after that, if you click this, if you run this command, so Java home environment variable is set. So these are the two things. First is if you have multiple Java, select the Java version, and then how you can set the Java home environment variable. So that's it, guys. That's it from my side. You can like this. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.